Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Breaking news. Jamaica, we have a missing problem as another alert has been sent out for Towhana, Neil of Dewdney Park Road, Kingston 11, Shantaya Hall of Mount Lebanon, and Mavis Bank of St. Andrew, and Rachin Carr of Ascot Avenue in Kingston 10, ladies and gentlemen. Jamaica, we have a missing problem, and that is what I'm going to be talking about right now, ladies and gentlemen. The missing in Jamaica. A more life and a more joy. So subscribe, like, and share if you have not yet. We are going to talk about this right now. Families and friends, it is obvious we have a problem in our island of Jamaica. It has been too many years that this problem persists as our young men and women continue to come up missing. Right now we have 3 people that are missing, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm asking the entire island to see if we can get them back to their families and friends. If you know the whereabouts of these people, let them know. We are worried and we want to see them, ladies and gentlemen. First, I and I man want to start out with, this young lady right here. Her name is Towhana Neil. Towhana Neil in Dewdney Park Road is Dewdney Road, Kingston 11. Ladies and gentlemen, and it's being reported that her family is heartbroken, ladies and gentlemen. This 13-year-old young lady who has been missing since Tuesday, November 8th. She is dark complexion, as you see, medium built, about 157 centimeters, that's about 5 feet 2. Reports are from the Olympic Garden Police. They are about 6:30 a.m. Towhana has left her home in her uniform, which is a white blouse, green tunic, and a pair of black shoes. She have not been seen or heard of from that time, ladies and gentlemen. And the police there in Olympic Garden is asking you if you have any idea of her whereabouts. If you have any information, to call the 119 emergency number and the 876-923-5468 there in Olympic Garden, the police station. This is an ongoing problem, ladies and gentlemen, and Jamaicans have to start asking questions or giving answers. Over 1,500 people go missing per year in Jamaica. You are guaranteed, and over 86% of them are children. Now we have another young lady here, unfortunately, that's also missing. Her name is Shantaya Hall. She's 18 years old. The police are on the hunt for the missing young lady. She's from Lebanon in Mavis Bank, St. Andrew, according to Mavis Bank Police. Hall was last seen about 5:30 a.m. on Tuesday when she left home for school. I so early them you pick me and leave out. We need to change this up. Cause you can't make the pick them out the road before there. Oh no mad? She was reported missing after unsuccessful efforts of locating her. Hall is of brown complexion, slim built, about 5'1", and has a name Akeem tattoo on her left hand. She was last seen wearing a white blouse, a green skirt, a black shoes, and white socks. Anyone with information about her whereabouts are being asked to contact the Mavis Bank Police immediately. 876-977-8004. 876-977-8004. Or call your local police at 119, ladies and gentlemen. We're in dire need of assistance. This is unfortunate. Really, really unfortunate. Because we have been going through this for too long. Now the Jamaican Constable Force is also trying to get help on this, young man right here. And his name is, Richin Carr. And this is not good. This is not really not good at all, family and friends. We can't understand why the people them I take with the picnic them. No. We can't understand this. Because when we are looking at the paper here, Jamaica know that it is a known issue. So I don't understand how them continue to allow this to happen. Them say over 27 of the 894 children that were reported missing last year in Jamaica, Yaganti, was confirmed dead. This is unbelievable according to the Economic of Social Service in Jamaica. An annual publishing of the plan of Institute of Jamaica of the ESSJ said a total of 1,467, which is 1,467 people were reported missing according to the country's last year. At 894 of them were made up, the vast majority of the missing people were children. And there is Rashawn Carr. I mean, this is not a good thing. Now, children made up a vast majority of the missing person according to 60.9% of the numbers. In other words, the numbers of the person reported missing overall decreased by 9.2% from 1,615 in 2001 to 1,467 last year. Female accounted for 63% of the missing person and were 82% of the missing children and 33.7% of missing adults. By year end, 749 missing persons had returned home, with 67.4% of them being children. 27 were confirmed dead. 3.7 of the children and 691 were still missing. 56.2% were children. So it's either we are doing some kind of human trafficking out of Jamaica, like we know we are, meaning we run off, we go on trips, and we not come back. You are going to see when we go to another foreign country. And believe it or not, sometimes uno get where uno go for. Uno really don't get a better life. Uno go suffer. So people want to make me know in the comments. Are these little girls just running away from home to go take man? Straight up me and ask you. Or do we have a abduction problem in a Jamaica? Do we have a mass abduction problem in a Jamaica? Because if 1,500 people are go missing and up to 894 of them are children, then either these, I mean, I hear no outcry from the mother, really from the government. All them do is just post that in our newspaper for going like them don't know what going on. But listen, half of them gal ya a run where go get man. And the parents them know. And they embarrassed. And the next half of them a run where go a foreign. Cause them family in a it. And the next half of them just a get tech way. And the government don't care. You guarantee, did you hear? The parents, family, the population of Jamaica do not care about the well-being of these children. Them all for themselves and no one else. You can tell the state of a country by the way it takes care of its women, children, and elderly. That means if they take care of them morally and the way that Jamaicans treat children and women, it's a tragedy. The audacity of them acting like they care. Cause enough of them girl just leave cause them parents don't care. Now the 18-year-old, everybody me know say a big woman that. But if you're a big woman, you do what big people do. You tell the people, them, yo, me I live. You don't just go hide for a week and dogo and come back and lay down like nothing no wrong. And an 18-year-old, ladies and gentlemen, missing. I don't understand it. I'm worried about the 13-year-old. Towhana Neil from Dewdney Road in Kingston, 11. And I'm telling you there, you're looking at the 18-year-old Shantaya Hall from Mount Lebanon in Mavis Bank, St. Andrew. You are going to Rachin car also is missing, ladies and gentlemen, from Ascot Avenue, Kingston 10. So it seems like say enough of them town and mobile youth you are missing. Me no know if I through the airport them did it so and them a fly out and then them a lie out. Cause me no hear no whole heap of family a cry out when people missing. So me no understand if this real or not. But the Jamaican Constable Force is asking for your help to try get back 18-year-old Shantaya Hall from Mount Lebanon in a Mavis Bank, St. Andrew, and Towhana Neil from Dewdney Road from Kingston 11, and Rachin car, Ascot Avenue, Kingston 10. But one of my subscribers, one of my, family members asked me to touch on this missing children thing. So I'm asking you people, because all I know they're smarter than the government. All I know smarter than the police. Tell me why not this? Something in a something. You can have 1,500 of your children, them and people, them are missing per year. And you don't know where them are go. You don't know where them are go? No. So, me personally think, say, who are run out of country, undocumented, you are going to and half of you just gone dagger. Gone get man. Because them say most of you are woman. And the rest of them are child neglect. Because you can't know say Jamaica not real. It's a strange place. And you are let out your 5'1" daughter 5:30 in the morning. And nobody not even go to bus stop with her or walk out to school. Oh no fool. Oh no say that Jamaica a bad man roll. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari, soldier here of Deep Roots TV reporting live, asking for your help. Playing to you for help save these local youths your life. Because something not in a something or something in a something. Me think say the girl them just run with gang dagger and stagger. And then when them man run them, boy them come back home. And me think say the family and everybody, including the government, involved in a human trafficking. And I go on like they care. Leave your comment down there so I make me hear. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari, soldier of Deep Roots TV. I'm here in the studio reporting about the pandemic. The real hidden truth of Jamaicans missing. Me want to know if my fans them are listen. Leave a comment, ladies and gentlemen. Big up yourself for more life, for more joy, and more happiness. Be blessed. You are gone to.
No, beat down my fist. Big up Rastafari, soldier. You're watching Deep Roots TV.
Boom, bang, bang.
Boom, bam, bang.
Mad.
Mad love, respect, brethren.
I mean, man, I love fun people.